Do you ever wake up and think, you know what, my hair's okay, I don't need to wash it today, and then you regret that decision for the rest of the day? Welcome back to Self-Care Karen. This is my channel all about my self-care journey. Basically, on Friday, I upload a video where I get to indulge my addiction to beauty products. And yes, let's face it, having this channel is adding fuel to the fire, as it were, because I really feel like I can legitimately buy a lot of beauty products so that I can try them out and share my honest opinion with you. So I'm not sure how this is going in terms of helping my addiction or making it worse. Anyway, there is that. And then on a Monday, I upload a video kind of a bit more broader around self-care. So I have been doing guided meditations, and now I've started a series on EFT, which is emotional freedom tapping. No, emotional freedom technique. And here's the playlist if you want to take a look at that new series of videos that I'm doing. But today is a tried and tested. Today's video is about the Schwarzkopf Root Retouch 7-Day Fix, and this is a semi-permanent hair dye. The tube, which I think I might have thrown away, yes, I've thrown away the tube, but the tube had enough for 3 applications in it. So I did the first application as per the instructions. Then I did another 2 where I went a little bit rogue. So anyway, let me share with you that experience, and I will be back in a moment to give you my final thoughts about this product. Here I am with a bird's nest on my head and also a lovely spot here. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying something a bit different in the line of hair dye. And this is this product here, which is the Schwarzkopf Root Retouch 7-Day Fix. So this apparently is a 10-minute application that lasts... Ding dong ding! This is a public service announcement. Please don't miss out on this great offer. You can get 50% off your purchases at selfcarekaren.etsy.com by becoming a member of the SCK tribe. As a member, you'll get Self-Care Karen news, inspirational messages, and special offers. And when you sign up, you'll have access to a free meditation script, a minute of mindfulness. Look at the video description for more details. Ding dong ding! 4 to 6 washes, although when I read the instructions afterwards, it did actually say if you want to make it last a bit, leave on for 10 minutes or up to 30 for a more intense colour result. I reckon I need to go for the 30 because I've got a whole load of greys here which I'd really like to cover up. So also I'm just going to put some, my lovely video editor, just going to put some pictures up on the screen that I took yesterday, just so you can see them here, but so that you can also see my greys from different kind of slants and what have you. So let's just do that now. And yeah, what I've got to do with this product, which by the way is vegan, it says it's a vegan formula, which makes me think that other hair dyes might not be vegan, which deeply saddens me. Not that I'm a vegan, but I wouldn't want animal stuff to go into beauty products. I know it does in some cases, but anyway, okay, just to note, this has got 3 applications. I don't know if you can see it on the thing, but there's only 1 pair of gloves. And to apply this, you actually have to wash and towel dry your hair first, then you apply it on, and then you wash it off. So I'm gonna get going with that. So I've just washed my hair. I've only used shampoo, rinsed it off. I'm now towel drying my hair, and then I will apply the product. Just to say, I've tried out lots of different hair dyes. Normally I either try out, I've got hair here. Normally I either try out root products, so root cover-up products, or full head of hair. So to use a semi-permanent, which is what this is,
It's a bit of a departure for me. Not too sure how it will go because of the fact that I wash my hair nearly every day. So 4 to 6 washes, that's not even a week. Yeah, so we'll see. But I'm going to comb out my hair now and apply the product. I'm just so forgetful. What I meant to say was I've tried out loads of different hair dyes. I actually have a complete playlist that I will put up somewhere in the screen where you can binge watch if you want to and see all the different ones that I've tried out. Yeah, and if you've got any comments, any recommendations of ones that you think I should try out or that you'd like me to try out, just let me know in the comments below. Because I'm always looking for inspiration. I do have a Clairol one coming up soon, and yeah, I've done loads in the past, so check out my playlist. I think I used 1/3 of the tube, but it's very difficult to tell with a tube how much you've actually used. I would just say this can only be for the roots, and if you have any thicker hair than me, and I've got quite fine hair, got a lot of it, but quite fine, or not a lot, but I've got a decent amount of it, 1/3 would not be enough. I've barely just covered where I need to, which is what's visible to me, my parting around the edge here, a little bit in there, I get it as well. When I tie my hair back, you can see it. So yeah, your gloves are just one use, so I don't see how you can reuse them. So I guess when I do this again, if I do it again, I'll be using marigolds. Yeah, so I'm now going to leave it on for 30 minutes, see how it goes. I always get a little bit here because I really want to get down to the roots, but it'll be interesting to see how this turns out. So see you in a little bit. So this is one wash in. I'm actually quite pleased with the colour, definitely feels nice and soft. And so yeah, I dyed it yesterday, this is day 2. We'll just see how many washes I get out of it. It is not great coverage here, but it's not bad. It's not bad. I've had permanent hair dyes that have been worse than that. Okay, so this is after the second wash. I didn't wash my hair yesterday, but I have washed my hair today. You're beginning to see the lighter hair, but I still think it looks okay. My hair. Okay, so this is after the 3rd wash. So it says 4 to 6 washes, so it is fading a bit. I think you can start to really see the greys coming through, but I'm still quite pleased with the results. Something happened yesterday with my hair though, and all of a sudden it felt like I had an oil slick. I don't know if that was just because it was so hot here and I sweated a lot, and I sweat a lot through my hair, or because I put on the conditioner, I'm not sure. But anyway, hopefully that won't happen today. And yeah, I'll report back again soon. So I'm feeling that with wash 4, that is the end of it. It looks like how it was before I started, I feel. But I've decided to go rogue. So the next time you see me, I'm going to be trying out this product in a slightly different way. See you in a minute. Okay, so I said I was going to go rogue. This is application 2. And basically what I've done is I've just applied the stuff in the tube to dry hair. So it's not been washed and towel dried. This is onto dry hair, and I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off. And let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, so I went rogue. I left the solution on my dry greasy hair, for 10 minutes, and then I washed it off. Bit of a messy process. Definitely stained the rubber gloves that I use because the kit only comes with 1 set of gloves, so it's 3 applications but 1 set of gloves, and there's no way you can wash those gloves and keep them going. So anyway, I used some marigolds. Yeah, but actually I'm pretty pleased with the results. I think what I'll do is I'll just, let these wash out, this application wash out, and then try it again, but maybe for longer, and see if that's got a better result. But yeah, I think that was less faffy, a bit more messy, but less faffy. So this is just after wash 1, after my 2nd application, where I've gone rogue. And it looks fine. So it's still holding on, which is great. And this is wash 2 of application 2. It's starting to fade around here, but still pretty good. So this is wash 3. I probably should do another application, but I don't think I'm going to be able to for the next few days. So maybe next week I'll be back with Rogue application 3. I think I'm going to leave it on for longer than 10 minutes. Okay, so I have tried application number 3. This time I did it for 30 minutes on dry hair and then shampooed and conditioned it out. I haven't caught as much as I'd like to at the front, but I was a bit worried that I was going to stain my face, and my vanity just got the better of me. Oh, my skin is in such a bad way at the moment. Yeah, my hair feels nice and soft, and yeah, we'll see if that lasts a bit longer than the however many minutes I did it, the last application and the time before. But there you can see, yeah, I just sort of missed out a bit here, but the rest seems to have been covered okay. Not sure actually. Yeah, I didn't go far back enough. I've really just concentrated the gunk here, and I've got a photo, so I'll put it up somewhere here. Okay, on my video editor will. So we're now probably about 10 days, 2 weeks from when the third application should have kind of washed out. I really need to do something about my hair. You can see here I've got major grey, and it's all the way around here, and I just wanted to film this outro so that I could then go on and try out another product. In short, I don't think I would be repurchasing this. Yes, you get 3 applications, but and you know, I tried out different ways, and actually you could get quite a good result with just 10 minutes application onto dry hair. 10 to 15 minutes, I can't quite remember, but you'll have seen it just now. However, for me, it's a bit of a faff for only really what is a week's worth, or just over a week's worth of hair. So, you know, given the time frame and the kind of general application, yada yada, I think going with a permanent hair dye is more for me. However, that said, I did have someone, the lovely Estelle, recommend a hair dye to me, which is semi-permanent from Clairol, and that is what I'm going to be trying next. So maybe my experience will be somewhat different. I have noticed there that the application time is just 20 minutes, and there's none of this washing your hair and towel drying it business. It's like a regular home hair dye kit in that regard. You put it onto dry hair. Not too sure how it's going to work out, because I put dry shampoo on my hair today, which always makes it greasier. I don't know why I did that, but I just felt I had to do something to get my hair feeling nicer and cleaner. So it might not adhere well, but anyway, that's another story. And please watch out for that video if you're interested in seeing more of these videos around my home hair dye experience. But for now, just to say, with this Schwarzkopf Root Retouch 7-Day Fix, I think if it's just for a root retouch, I would go with the spray. I mean, this is a lot of work for not necessarily a lot of results. So yeah, that's my opinion on this product. Now, please let me know in the comments if you've had a similar or a different experience with this product, or if there's any particular product that you would like me to try out. I do love working on suggestions, and you can see that I do follow suggestions. Also, don't forget that you can connect with me on all my social media handles, which will be appearing on the screen. I have an Etsy shop. I have a mailing list as well. The details of the mailing list is in the video description. It gives you a free meditation script and a discount to my Etsy shop, so it's really fantastic to sign up to my mailing list. And yeah, it's just great to have you here. Thank you so much for being here. I love having you along for the journey. It really means a lot to me. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.